Presenting
I'm just
the
taking a picture of
burnt
yours with
chicken avocado salad.
But Shreya,
Chunk
how
of the
much are you into cooking? Like how much
I'm
do you...
into eating. I eat much more. I barely cook. Papa makes one dish specially for me. In fact, he started cooking because he knows how much I love to eat. Honestly, Maharashtrian cuisine, लोगों को लगता है Maharashtrian cuisine is only vada pav, misal pav, वो snacks हुए. But मालवण में जाओ region में तो खाना अलग है. कोल्हापुर जाओ खाना अलग है. मेरे घर का खाना will be like home food style. But I personally love seafood. Because I enjoy trying different food, I think it's also important to keep your body balanced and healthy, which allows you to experiment with food. And when I travel, I love to do that. Then there's no dieting. I'm feeling like a master chef, full master chef vibe आ रही है मुझे अभी.
I see that Shreya खुद के character में आ चुकी है, एक अलग character में.
But I love sushi.
Yes.
And I love Japan. So I've never made sushi before.
Imagine
so-
she loves having it और आप बनाने वाले.
Yes. A lot of people think that actors don't eat at all.
Yes.
And I think that's such a huge
I used to feel the same thing,
misconception.
honestly.
No. Let me try.
Healthy. It has good taste.
मैं खुद के कुकिंग से इम्प्रेस हो गई हूँ.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here on my special show What's Cooking, which is featured on Zoom channel. And with me right now I have the famous Shreya Pilgaonkar. She was recently seen in Mandala Murders and she's going to work on a lot of projects that she's going to talk about on my special show. So join her only on Zoom right now.
Thank you.
Lovely to have you.
Thank
and
you.
as always, the interactions have been great with you, be it in the past or now. You have been doing a lot of work. Tell me something about that, the acting life, how it has turned out to be for you.
It's really distracting to talk about work with all the wonderful food around us. But yes, thank you. I'm very grateful for the love that's come my way for Mandala Murders. And it's the first time I played a character that was so dark, I would say. But even though it was a guest appearance, logon ka pyar mila hai. So thank you to the audience. And of course, I'm looking forward to Priyadarshan sir's Hewan. It's going to be a theatrical film with Saif and Akshay and Baman sir. So I'm really excited about that. So doing a mix of series and films.
So we're going to talk about her projects later on, but yes, we have never seen this side of Shreya, wherein she's going to kind of invested herself in kitchen, and like making food over here, and I'm going to try that, so I'm going to be the judge for her. So let's see, like this is something which is quinoa chicken stew.
Yeah, I mean this is healthy but still fun and very easy to make.
Yeah.
Shall I start making it for
Yes,
you?
yes.
Okay, perfect. I'm actually very hungry. So this is quinoa.
Quinoa.
Very, very healthy. And I'm going to mix some chicken in it. And for those who don't eat non-veg, you can also do like tofu
Okay.
or any sort of plant protein in it. So yeah, let's put a good...
But Shreya,
chunk
how
of the
much are you into cooking? Like how much
I'm
you...
into eating. I eat much more. I barely cook, but I'm an absolute foodie.
Okay.
So I don't miss out on an opportunity to go out, try new food. So मैं पापा पे गई हूँ in that matter. खाने के बहुत शौकीन हैं हम. I'm going to make some tomato as well.
Okay. And this is going to be known as Shreya's special dish, which she's going to serve it to us in some time.
Some peppers.
Yes.
This is actually very easy to make, and I also think like food that is healthy should also be fun to eat. This is raw mango, which I love. Put
I'm
some
not going to
of that.
disturb her right now because I can just see that she's investing in making a very good dish for us.
This is some pepper. I think with hands you get a better sense of
The taste.
the estimation of what is required. This is gonna add like that garlicky texture to it.
Along with some tangerine taste is also
Yeah, this is tangy. That's the
Tangy,
raw
okay.
mango. So this, I think we need a little more salt actually speaking.
ठीक है.
And let me now. Do you want to mix that?
बट ये श्रेया का किनोआ सैलेड यहाँ पर आ चुका है एंड ये बहुत ज्यादा हेल्दी है मेरे लिए बिकॉज एक जगह पर हम लोग सेव पूरी भेल पूरी ये सब खाते
ये
हैं
खाने के बाद वो खाना पड़ेगा.
खाना पड़ेगा ये
But this is tasty.
बट दिस इज वेरी गुड श्रेया एंड
Mix it like vigorously. Mix it
like
more.
this.
Oh my god. I'm not allowed to do this, but it's asparagus tempura garam garam तो मैं पहले खाने वाली हूँ.
Touchwood, you are blessed with a good skin over the years also. It's not like, you have kind of worked on that. You may have basically taken care of it and even a good,
I think it's all, actually speaking, it's genes, which I
Yes.
think are very important. People don't speak much about how your genetics plays such a huge role,
Yes.
right, in your health. That, but also you have to be mindful of what you eat, your workout, your sleep. But you have your good days and bad days, so that's okay.
this has been mixed very well and in case if you want to garnish it with something.
I'm gonna put it in a mold.
Okay. So the avocado will be a decoration later on?
The avocado will be put on top later.
Okay.
And also, I know for a lot of people, they think that, oh, avocado is a new trend and stuff, but now you have even homegrown avocados, which are not that expensive, and it's good fat. It's very, very good fat. So I love avocado.
How much do you experiment with your food? Over the
Actually,
years?
I love to try different food, but also it's like कभी कभी घर का खाना, कभी कभी मंगा लिया. It's like a good balance. But because I enjoy trying different food, I think it's also important to keep your body balanced and healthy, which allows you to experiment with food. And when I travel, I love to do that. Then there's no dieting.
Has your diet changed as such over the years because you have gotten into this field of acting where every time the focus has been on your face, on how you look and your appearances?
So I think for me personally, food is something that makes me feel good. But at the same time, I feel like it's not just because of my work. I want to feel healthy from inside. It's not about thin or fat or anything like that.
Yeah.
But my habits have been good because I was a sportsman. I used to be a swimmer.
Yeah.
So that discipline timing is very important. So I end up having my dinner by 7:38
Okay.
because I get hungry that time and I have to eat every 2-3 hours. So touchwood, my metabolism is good, but I also exercise 5 to 6 times a week. And I like stay fit so that I don't have to say no to sev puri
Yeah.
or pani puri.
Of course.
So my motivation is clear, you know.
But kudos to her, I must say that, at occasions where we do see, like, sometimes actors do get late, for their shoots or, for events.
Yeah.
I have seen one thing about you that you are very particular about it. It's like, I have been late and I'm like, how can I be? And I've seen her being on time. That is commendable.
Thank you.
Especially the lives what we are leading right now, especially the Mumbai, being so
Yeah,
chaotic.
yeah.
You are very particular about that.
I mean, I feel like I need to respect my time first before I expect other people to respect anyone's time.
And how did you get that discipline in you? Because, that is very difficult to also maintain as an actress.
I would say I've seen that with my parents. They respect is shown not just in the way you speak, but how you value each other's time. So for me, that's very important, and it's not always valued, maybe, or acknowledged. So thank you for acknowledging that.
On
okay,
that
wait.
note,
You're
I'm just-
distracting me from my amazing
Exactly,
avocado
and I
salad.
should not be doing that.
Woohoo! All right.
Your
Now-
fans are going to just love this, what you have made right now. The special cake.
So I'm not a fan of mayonnaise. Although it's kept here, I'm not going to use it.
No,
Okay,
no,
no
100%
mayo.
I don't like it.
No mayo. I am going to do a bit of kothmir and some micro greens and place some avocado here and also place some avocado on the side. I'm feeling like a master chef, full master chef vibe aa rahi hai mujhe abhi. And you're my sous chef, like the assistant.
The assistant.
I'm going to just put a little bit of the...
Wow. Properly decoration भी किया है उसका.
I think I ruined it, but it's okay, it's fine. Oh, and the best part is there's a nice puree which will add like a sweetish touch to it, which I kind of like, but I'm going to put a little bit of it.
This looks pretty good. Wow.
Presenting
I'm just
the
taking a picture of
burnt
yours with
chicken avocado salad.
So Shreya, as much as I loved your decoration, I'm sorry. मैंने आपका heart break किया अभी फिलहाल.
I know इतना अच्छा मैंने शेप बनाया था, but it's okay. Food is meant to be enjoyed.
Yeah, because मुझे
Not just
थोड़ा सा
looking.
चावल जैसे feel है, पोहा जैसे, you know.
पूरा ठीक से मिक्स करो.
Okay.
See, presentation कितना भी fancy हो, खाना तो actually हाथ से ही मजा आता है. Salt is less?
No, it's all good.
Let me try.
Healthy. It has good taste.
मैं खुद के कुकिंग से इम्प्रेस हो गई हूँ. Very nice.
So as you could see कि हम लोग ने वो एक डिश तो खा ली है जो quinoa salad था, which was like burnt chicken and
Burnt
it had
chicken quinoa,
avocado and
yes.
it was very healthy. But now Shreya has taken some lessons from the chef right now. और एक अलग अंदाज दिखने वाला है, सुशी बनने वाली है.
रुक्मिनी स्टाइल.
Yes, and I could see that, you know, Shreya खुद के कैरेक्टर में आ चुकी है, एक अलग कैरेक्टर में.
But I love sushi.
Yes.
And I love Japan. So I've never made sushi before.
Imagine
तो-
she loves having it और अब बनाने वाली.
Yes. But of course we're making a veg sushi. I like to have the authentic actual sushi which has fish in it.
Okay.
But the chefs have been kind और उन्होंने हमें थोड़ा already सिखाया है कि क्या करना है. So this is a nori sheet.
Okay.
So on that nori sheet, this is sticky rice and we're going to start putting it.
Okay.
By the way, this is actually very easy even to make at home. Yeah, you have to wear gloves because otherwise it's just going to stick everywhere.
To look bad.
Yeah. Thoda you'll have to.
You just take the rice.
Yeah. You can spread a little bit of this also.
Okay.
Not much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think too
Thanks
much.
to
just a little
Shreya, basically ये सब चीजें मैं भी try कर सकती हूँ. And I'm sure like ये audience देखने के बाद में भी your fans will also prefer like, you know, having something made by you.
bit. I feel like during COVID बहुत लोगों ने experiment किया with food.
What about you? आपने किया था?
I was also baking and stuff like that, पर ज़्यादा cooking का मौका नहीं मिलता. Okay, let's flatten this out a little bit. And now let's put some. This is togarashi,
Okay.
which is like a Japanese condiment, which we can add a little bit of. Here. Do you want to put some?
Yeah. हाँ.
Some black seeds,
I like
sesame
spicy,
seeds.
so I'm just
Yeah, put more, put more. Put as much as you want.
Are you like? Do you prefer having spicy food or what's your taste like?
I like medium spicy, but कुछ dishes हैं जिसमें spicy का ही मजा है. But otherwise, medium spicy is what I like.
They also belong
Yeah.
to a Maharashtrian family, and you know the dishes are very good. What they make
Yes,
at home.
very simple but very healthy and tasty. मेरे घर पे coconut बहुत ज़्यादा use होता है for vegetables, for fish curry, for garnishing. So I think based on where your cultural roots are, वहाँ की कुछ चीज़ें हैं if you notice will be in your food always.
Okay.
So coconut is a big part of the cuisine in a Maharashtrian household for
And
sure.
what do you love about the Maharashtrian, you know, food items, which has been your
Oh.
personal favorite?
Honestly, Maharashtrian cuisine, लोगों को लगता है Maharashtrian cuisine is only वड़ा पाव, मिसल पाव, वो
Correct.
snacks हुए.
हाँ.
But मालवण में जाओ region में तो खाना अलग है. कोल्हापुर जाओ खाना अलग है. मेरे घर का खाना will be like home food style. But I personally love seafood. So the fish curries that we make. Also, varan bhat is like it's like khichdi, but it's home food.
हाँ.
Then वांग्याचे काप, भरले वांगी, which is stuffed brinjal. बटाटा की सब्जी जो हर कल्चर में अलग अलग वे में प्रिपेयर होती है. एंड या ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं. और स्ट्रीट फूड तो ऑफ कोर्स हु डजंट लव वड़ा पाव एंड मिसल पाव एंड यू लाइक स्पाइसी. सो ठेचा भी आपको अच्छा लगता
Your
होगा.
favorite in fact. Like I
Homemade
ensure to
ठेचा.
have that.
मैं आपको भेजूंगी जब मेरे घर पे बनेगा. This is actually the most fun part. This is tempura. So the crunchy element which is there
Yes.
in your sushi.
Yes.
That's the batter. So let's put that.
Come, let's put this.
What is your go-to food when you go out? Like, do you like Asian? Do you like Indian?
I'm more into, you know, trying the Japanese food because I
Oh,
feel
really?
like it's really good. It's healthy. I have moved to that option.
Okay.
As compared to like earlier, I would prefer having Gujarati thalis or say, you know,
Oh,
something
I love
which is
Gujarati
vegetarian.
food. Yeah.
What do we do now?
Now
Should
we have
add
to
this?
flatten. No, we have to flatten it and flip it.
Oh,
Okay? Are you ready?
yes. Whoa.
Flipped. Now, my favorite part. This is asparagus tempura, which is like asparagus bhajia basically. So I'm calling this the Shriya sushi version because this is not how authentic sushi looks. But I have, with my imperfections, created something.
But this is good.
Okay.
मैं already आपकी praise कर रही हूँ.
We have to love it.
Yeah.
We have to love
I
it.
will try this now.
हाँ.
And I think this we'll have to add separately.
हाँ.
This. Okay.
Oh my
No.
God. Where is the
It's actually
applause?
good. I
Thank
think I
you.
should click a picture now.
I would like to thank the chef who taught me. Listen, I am so impressed with my own cooking.
But this looks good.
Yeah. Ooh. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my version has just 5 pieces, guys.
Which is your lucky number?
7. Wait. Get my hair aside. Look, पीछे क्या लिखा है?
In there. Oh wow. Okay.
Number 7 is written on my back. I'm gonna first put the tempura here. It's all about the presentation and the taste. And then let's take some
Ginger.
pickled ginger and wasabi.
Do you want to make a design out of it or
No,
just
no.
put it
I'm
there?
just gonna put it here.
Okay.
Okay, friends, this has felt like a cooking show completely.
What a good decoration you have done right now. I must say that.
I have to say, this is the first time I've made sushi under the guidance of our wonderful chef here. और मैं खुद पे ही बहुत impress हो गई हूँ because I think मैंने बहुत अच्छी sushi बनाई है. Alright,
Yes.
come. Why don't you pick one up? Whew.
I want to know your feedback on this now. It's good, no?
The taste is amazing, but it's too big to like stuff and to eat it like in one go. But I really liked it. What about you?
I liked it. I just said like one of the items थोड़ा extra था, but ऐसे नहीं
Yeah.
लगे वो it's like changing
Yeah.
the taste.
But never mind, it's the first
But
time.
Shreya को पता नहीं कि उनका personally audition हो रहा था for the next season of MasterChef, and here she is already with 2 dishes.
We can have this.
Before I also let you go, and I'm of course going to make you have some conversations before I let you go, which is about food, all around food, and only about food. What has been your favorite food item made by your mom or your dad?
Oh. My father makes this really nice prawn pickle,
Okay.
which is amazing, which is my grandmother's Aji's recipe. तो वो एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है. My mother makes very good Chinese. My mother makes very good salads also, and even your normal घर का खाना. And Papa makes one dish specially for me. In fact, he started cooking because he knows how much I love to eat.
Yeah.
So he loves to feed me. So he'll actually go and he'll present it beautifully, and then he'll wait कि मैं तारीफ करूँगी कितना अच्छा है. So yeah, those are the things.
And also, Shreya, as we talk about food,
Yeah.
I'm sure, like as I told you, like because of the profession you are in,
Yeah.
you may be following a certain diet, a certain shoot के लिए भी taking certain food items. Tell us something about that, if you could just give some insights around it.
You know, I have to say, a lot of people think that actors don't eat at all.
Yes.
And I think that's such a huge
I used to feel the same thing,
misconception.
honestly.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't speak on behalf of everybody, but personally, I think life is too short to not eat, to not enjoy your meal.
Yeah.
But of course, that balance, that moderation, what you're eating when is very important. शूट पे मैं घर का डब्बा लेके जाती हूँ. कभी सेट का खाना अगर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होगा तो सेट का खाना भी खा लेती हूँ. But I take proper, I have a sweet little डब्बा, proper जो टिफिन होता है, वो मैं ले जाती हूँ.
अच्छा.
And if I'm shooting in like say Bandra or something, then I'll order. But I prefer having at least on shoots one meal जो घर से है, and अगर outdoor है, then you have to figure it out.
Have you ever tried any crazy diets, for your own self? Because
Never.
कहीं ना कहीं growing up, na we do that. Never ever.
I think there is no rule book as to what the world should follow. I feel like we have to understand our own bodies. हमारी body को क्या चाहिए, क्या ज़रूरत है, क्या nourishment चाहिए, and फिर वो खुद समझना पड़ता है. So for me, it helps me when I have my dinner by 7:30 and I'm an early riser. So whatever I want to have, I have it. But it doesn't mean कि हर रोज सेव पूरी खा लिया, right? So when I'm traveling, I don't diet at all. I'm not conscious at all. Sweet is something that I really like to eat. So वहाँ पे I have to be a little careful because I tend to crave it all the time. That is not good अगर आपको मीठा बार बार चाहिए होता है. तो सिर्फ वहाँ पर एक है जो मैं I'm a little more mindful. But my philosophy of life is work out and stay healthy so that you never have to compromise on what you want to eat.
Bahar jaake, you know, apart from India, because India
Yeah.
has so many food items that we really kind of explore.
Yeah.
But when you go abroad,
Yes.
what is a food item which you really like crave or, you know, prefer having? Like when I go to Amsterdam, I prefer like having these, you know, French fries with cheese dip and all like
But
that.
you get all of that here now.
Yeah.
You get
So
everything
you
here.
prefer everything over here.
I mean, nahi. I'm saying when I travel, my way of exploring a place is through its food. So I love going to all kinds of restaurants. Sometimes it can be fine dining, sometimes it can be street food. But I like to ask the locals where they go because they know the authentic places. So for me, it's not about going to a place just because it's recommended online. For me, it's almost about finding out what are my friends they're vibing with. And sometimes they're not even fancy places, but the experience is very exciting over
Which
there.
makes it like all.
Which makes it very interesting. So traveling for me is incomplete अगर मैं अलग-अलग food explore नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Which
So
has been your personal favorite, you know, place to travel as such?
the food in Australia, let me tell you, is fantastic because the ingredients
Yeah.
are so amazing. So I've really enjoyed the food in Australia. I love Thai food. So of course, Thailand has incredible food. New York has such a great variety. I love pizza. So New York has a great variety of it. और हमारे यहाँ भी तो बहुत क्या नहीं मिलता.
Yes.
So
Before I let you go,
Yes.
and we started speaking about her work, and now we come to this conversation that she is doing a movie with Saif Ali Khan and Akshay Kumar. Tell me something about that. It's we have seen something which is going on already. Like we saw some BTS videos coming out where they are basically judging each other. Like Haiwan kaun hai sabse bada? Tell me something about that.
I mean, at this point, all I can say is I'm really excited to work with Priyadarshan sir. He's such an icon. And because in the past few years, I've had some really nice series that I've been part of. I feel like now it's time to shift the gear and focus more on films. And maintaining that balance is important, and even genres. So you'll be seeing me in 2-3 exciting films next year. And the rest, I want it to be a surprise for the audience.
Like she surprised us. Right
Yes,
now
with
the
my cooking skills.
Lovely chatting with you, Shreya,
Likewise.
as always, and looking forward to see your work.
Thank you.
And thank you for coming on this.
Thank you for having me.